right, let's get to the breaking news that's coming in at this hour. BJP's big charge against the Congress. BJP is saying the Congress has mocked Operation Mahadev. The Congress objects to the name of the operation, that is Operation Mahadev. In fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party has also posted a video clip of the former Maharashtra Chief Minister. According to BJP's, the Congress senior leader Prithviraj Chavan on debate on Operation Sindoor in the Parliament. This is what was said. Listen in.
अब जो भी कहें, देखिए ऑपरेशन का नाम तो धार्मिक आधार पर देने के सिवा उनको कुछ आता नहीं, क्योंकि उनको हर सरकार की जो काम जो भी सरकार करती है उसमें कोई रिलीजियस फंडामेंटलिज्म और हिंदुत्व मिलाना चाहती है। मैं नहीं समझता, मैंने कई सारे दुनिया के लड़ाइयों के बारे में पढ़ा है, मैं कोई इतिहासकार नहीं हूं, लेकिन कहीं भी दूसरे महायुद्ध के दौरान हो या कोई और कभी भी किसी ने क्रिश्चियन धर्म का किया हो या कि इजरायली करे हो, मैं नहीं समझता। लेकिन हमारे यहाँ हर एक हिंदुत्व की कोई फिगर नहीं, दे आर ट्राइंग टू पोलराइज द सिचुएशन कि ये हिंदू वर्सेस मुस्लिम लड़ाई है। क्या है तो आप बताइए कि हिंदू, इसलिए याद सिंदूर का क्या मतलब है? सिंदूर तो सिर्फ हिंदू कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये कोई दुनिया में तो कोई कॉन्सेप्ट है ही नहीं। लेकिन देखिए, कोई नाम देना चाहे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लड़ाई तो मैदान में जीती जाती है और मैदान में हारी जाती है। लड़ाई जीते हैं हवाई जहाज जब एक दूसरे से टकराते हैं, एक देश के हवाई जहाज गिरते हैं, एक के नहीं गिरते हैं।
All right, that of course is, Congress's statement. Of course, BJP now charging the Congress with the fact that they are mocking Operation Mahadev. Remember, this successful operation was carried out by our security forces, killing the butchers of the Pahalgam terror attack. The Congress, though, has different priorities. They are mocking the name of this operation, also accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of politicizing and, bringing in the Hindu religion in this entire operation. Of course, this is the big statement that has come in from the BJP. The Congress is objecting to the Operation Mahadev name, and they are clearly mocking the kind of successful operation that has been carried out by our security forces. So that's the big breaking news coming in, ladies and gentlemen. At the moment, this big charge that has been hurled by the Bharatiya Janata Party against the Congress party, saying they're objecting to Operation Mahadev's name, and they're basically mocking the entire operation which brought the perpetrators of the Pahalgam terror attack to justice. You heard Congress's Ashok Chavan saying that it is the BJP that names these operations because they want to politicize and bring in religion every time. But ladies and gentlemen, this of course, comes at a very, very crucial time when India is fighting terror against, Pakistan-sponsored terrorism is what India has been fighting against. And the Congress party chooses to mock the name and question the name of the operation that brought the perpetrators of the Pahalgam terror attack to justice. My colleague Arunil is joining us with more on this. Arunil, this is bizarre, the fact that, Congress leader is questioning the name of an operation that has brought to justice the perpetrators of the Pahalgam terror attack, something that shouldn't be on anybody's mind at the moment. What should be the priority is that our forces have been successfully able to, bring to justice the perpetrators of that dastardly attack.
That is right. What is paramount in this present scenario is that the dastardly attack that took place in Pahalgam, it has been events now. The terrorists who did those attacks in Pahalgam, killing innocent lives, killing innocent people, they have been neutralized by our armed forces. But here an appalling statement coming in from Prithviraj Chavan, a senior Congress leader, former Maharashtra CM, basically saying, questioning the government, saying that why names after Hindu, names like Operation Sindoor, Operation Mahadev have been kept only to appease or to garner certain religious Hindu sentiments. This is what Prithviraj Chavan is saying, and also he has raised a question mark on the timing of Operation Mahadev as well, saying that why only during when the monsoon session in Parliament was on, why this kind of an operation happened. At this point of a juncture, the opposition, be it the opposition as well as the ruling parties, should stand united against terrorism. This is what was showcased by several leaders who were part of the delegation that travelled across the world, also exposing Pakistan and its hand in terrorism. Here, Prithviraj Chavan's statement, a Congress leader, comes extremely shocking. It is extremely appalling, and the BJP is hitting back at Prithviraj Chavan as well as the Congress for it.
Right, Arnil, I'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Let's listen in to the reactions that have been coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party viewers.
अब ऑपरेशन महादेव का विरोध करने के बाद कांग्रेस पार्टी ऑपरेशन महादेव के नाम पर भी आपत्ति कर रही है। जी हां, इमरान मसूद हो, अखिलेश यादव हो, इन लोगों ने ऑपरेशन महादेव के टाइमिंग को लेकर सवाल उठाए। वैसे इन लोगों ने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक और सिंदूर को भी हमेशा नकारा, छुटपुट फेलियर कहा। अब कांग्रेस पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता पृथ्वीराज चव्हाण कहते हैं महादेव नाम रखना ये कम्युनल है, ये पोलराइजिंग है, ये हिंदुत्व है, ये फैनेटिसिज्म है। महादेव हम सभी के लिए एक ऐसा नाम है जो सबसे ज्यादा पवित्र है और हमारे संस्कार और संस्कृति से भी जुड़ा हुआ है, पर यह साफ संदेश भी देता है। जिस कांग्रेस पार्टी को आतंकियों के हमलों में धार्मिक एंगल नजर नहीं आता, उसको आर्मी के ऑपरेशन में धार्मिक एंगल जरूर नजर आता है। और ये कोई स्लिप ऑफ टंग नहीं है, ये कोई संयोग नहीं है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को भी कॉम्युनल कहा था उदित राज ने, ऑपरेशन महादेव को भी कॉम्युनल कह रहे हैं पृथ्वीराज चव्हाण। मतलब सेना का अपमान भी कर रहे हैं कि सेना जो है वो पोलराइज करवाती है नाम रखकर, और सेना के मनोबल पर चोट भी कर रहे हैं, और सनातन का भी विरोध कर रहे हैं। सेना, सनातन, संस्कार, संस्कृति का विरोध करना यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान बन चुकी है, क्योंकि वो
Now remember viewers, yesterday in a scathing attack, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had accused the Congress of the same. Listen into what he had said.
मुंबई में 26/11 का इतना बड़ा आतंकी हमला हुआ, एक पाकिस्तानी आतंकी जिंदा पकड़ा गया। पाकिस्तान की मीडिया ने, दुनिया ने यह स्वीकार किया कि यह पाकिस्तानी है, लेकिन यहां कांग्रेस पार्टी इतना बड़ा पाकिस्तान का पाप, इतना बड़ा पाकिस्तानी आतंकी हमला, और ये क्या खेल खेल रहे थे? वोट बैंक की राजनीति के लिए क्या कर रहे थे? कांग्रेस पार्टी इसको भगवा आतंक सिद्ध करने में जुटी हुई है। कांग्रेस दुनिया को हिंदू आतंकवाद की छड़ी बेचने में लगी हुई थी। कांग्रेस के एक नेता ने अमेरिका के बड़े राजनयिक को यहां तक कह दिया था कि लश्कर-ए तोयबा से भी बड़ा खतरा भारत के हिंदू ग्रुप है। ये कहा गया था।
All right, I'm joined by Congress Party's Udit Raj on the phone line. Udit Raj ji, what is this logic at a time when the country should be united in, hailing our armed forces in what has been, bringing the perpetrators of the Pahalgam terror attack to justice? Congress ye keh rahi hai ki Operation Mahadev ka naam is religion, is politicizing.
See, what are you? This thing should be asked to Mr. Modi, and the way that they have surrendered to Pakistan, and the very argument and logic given by BJP or Treasury bench in the Parliament that it's a part Pakistan who initiated to surrender or to stop the war. So, considering by that, then that time, who was stopping Modi government to negotiate with Pakistan that, okay, give us POK in lieu of
Mr. Udit Raj, this still doesn't answer what I asked you. It doesn't answer my question at all. My question was, why is the Congress giving priority to the name of the operation that brought the perpetrators of the Pahalgam terror attack to justice? You should be hailing our forces of what they have been able to achieve. All right, Mr. Udit Raj, of course, not answering our questions, very valid questions, ladies and gentlemen, that we are asking to the Congress party. This is the same Congress party that has mocked the Operation Mahadev name. They are saying that it is the BJP which is bringing in religion and politicizing the entire operation, when in fact it is an operation that as a country we should be united in hailing. But let's get you more reactions that are coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Their spokesperson Pradeep Bhandari has accused the Congress of keeping vote bank politics ahead of national interest, and he goes on to say Congress is opposing the name Operation Mahadev for the sake of its vote bank. Congress has opposed the naming of Pakistan for its vote bank. Congress is opposing Operation Sindoor because of its vote bank, and the Congress party even called 2611 an RSS conspiracy to protect their vote bank. So the BJP, of course, accusing the Congress of national interest coming in way after their vote bank politics. My colleague Arunil is with us on the broadcast. Arunil, we heard Udit Raj not, giving answers to our questions of why the Congress party is mocking Operation Mahadev's name. Now, of course, you've got the BJP accusing the Congress of always placing and prioritizing vote bank instead of national interest and national security.
Well, Operation Mahadev is about justice. It is about giving befitting answers to those terrorists who conducted those dastardly attacks in Pahalgam and bringing them to justice as well, basically neutralizing them. And our armed forces were able to do that. At such kind of a point when, be it the opposition or the ruling party, they should stand together against terrorism. We have seen all-party delegations going across the globe. That also includes Shashi Tharoor from the Congress party, several other leaders from opposition parties as well, praising PM Modi as well as exposing Pakistan while doing that, and also exposing terrorism as well, terrorism being sponsored by Pakistan. Here, Operation Mahadev, question marks being raised by Prithviraj Chavan, a senior leader, former Maharashtra CM, saying that basically why they have named it as Operation Mahadev. He has questioned the BJP, saying that why they are trying to incite Hindu sentiments as well as trying to appease Hindu voters. This is what Prithviraj Chavan is saying. The BJP has also shot back, saying that earlier also, when the Pahalgam attack had taken place, there were several leaders from the Congress party, be it Vijay Wadettiwar, be it other Congress leaders as well, who had questioned the attack, then saying that there is no proof that the attackers asked for religion of the victims. Here as well, again, an appalling statement coming in from a senior Congress Neta, that is Prithviraj Chavan, raising aspersions on the name Operation Mahadev as well as raising question marks on the timing of Operation Mahadev as well.
All right, Arunil, I'll keep coming back to you for the latest as far as this political war of words is concerned. Ladies and gentlemen, right now it's time for a short break. News